1 year, this place is going to consist of 8 blocks of 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, like you can see here. So like you can see, the construction is ongoing for Nyumbani Concepts as we deliver. We work and we deliver. So off plan actually really works. And the advantage of taking off plan is that you take the project, or you take the homes below the market value. So for right now, like for example, right now, our 1 bedroom is going for 3.75 million, where you deposit 1.2 million and the balance in 15 to 24 months installments. And for the 2 bedrooms, it's going for 4.75 million. You deposit 1.8 million and balance in 15 to 24 months installments. So off plan is basically giving you an affordable way of getting a home, rather than when the home is ready, it's actually doubling. It will actually double the price and you pay in cash, no installments, no anything. So kujeni ni wafanyia plan homes hapa. We still have a lot of units left. We have like 76 units left. 200, it's in total there were 202, and right now it's 76 units left, which I'm so sure by January they'll be over, because trust me, watu wana invest, watu wataki mchezo, watu wana invest. So please kuja, call me on these numbers here and book a unit with me. Nitakuleta site uone, nitakupeleka to our delivered projects. I'll bring you to our office too, which is in Westlands, Western Heights building, opposite Sarit Center. I'm back and speaking right now. I'm in the showroom. The showroom is simply going to show you how we are going to build your house, or how your house is going to look like, just to give you a feeling for you to purchase the home with us. So right now I'm in the 1 bedroom apartments showroom, and it's so beautiful, it's so amazing. I like everything is on set, it's fully serviced. I just want to show you the house tour. So we are going to start with this from outside, the veranda, and then we come to the sitting room, and then we are going to end with the bedroom. I'm telling you guys, invest with us, Nyumbani Concepts. Make sure you call me Andia, the realtor. My numbers are here, and grab this 1 and 2 bedrooms apartment. So guys, I hope you liked the house tour and the video. So these are simply 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. They are called Nyumbani Heights, powered by Nyumbani Concepts real estate company that always delivers. These apartments are 1 and 2 bedrooms. 1 bedroom is going for 3.75 M, where you deposit 1.2 million and the balance in 15 to 24 months. The 2 bedroom is going for 4.75, where you deposit 1.8 million and balance in 15 to 24 months installments. Wale watu wa diaspora and those investors, home owners, please contact me on 0713790932 for more information. Asanteni sana and thank you.